See it at the man them. 1 o'clock in the morning, you know. Should go for go see if I do a bad vlog for at night. Catch and cook, you know. And the piece of boat there. We Raffy them already, Raffy them and get ready, you know. Badman, Rifleman, Iron Gigs. It's a night, yeah. It's active, you know. Go for Shubota now. So stay tuned, man. Them. Make sure you like, share, and subscribe. Although a long time we not post a video, but just still support, please. And thanks, you know. Stay tuned. Yeah, man, we start up, you know. Rav pushed up on the eagle, I go and sit in.
Better cool your foot.
Bad boy right now. The driver for today.
Go. But don't take the vaccine. Don't take the vaccine. That's what I'm going to tell you. Don't take the blood clot vaccine.
Alright, my name, stay tuned. Like one of my roads, just kiss my lip.
Bumbo clot.
Starting everything.
Started the fucking boat, yeah.
Bumbo clot, that was sad. Man, they just leave out, you know. Full moon, as you can see. Happy them there. The snakes are the fine. You know? Yeah. Oh, they were gone. As you can see, we now just drop your anchor. Slow around. Yeah. They're going to kick you back and think. Drive for they're going to take a reverse and go up there. Piece of south. All who know south, they say the right against the bushy key. You can't see the bushy key now, but the man in the show you see the man in there.
It's a good night, you know.
It's going to be a tough night, you know?
Yeah, that one on the side there.
We'll see. Alright, man.
Kill a daddy.
Block
Blocking ducks when I see her.
my ducks, man.
Got blocking ducks when I see her right now. Right, daddy. Yellow tail.
First thing of the night, you know?
Blocking ducks.
In blue. Man, them, you know? We're all asleep, you know? Just catch a one fish and call it a night, you know? All I rest up, you know? As real as it get. Soon I'm back, you know? Man, them see the daylight and thing and come out, you know? Bad boy have cushion we outside. Just so we can get some fresh bait to the people. Fresh bait. So I go and get some fish now, so now I see what I go and is it. Just stay tuned, man. Them. Man, you know, have just a broken ducks. Come on. Who that? Look at gun. See how gonna be done?
Man, love chat.
As a killer. Looks like a liquor one again. Clad. Look at the tail. Leave the little fish there. Leave the little fish there.
Go to the daddy.
Alright, man, I say a man will never show you the key. You see, it's the place look bird and at them. And I'm rabbit like you can't kill her for me dog.
No,
Take it. Yellow tail fish. Yeah man. Bumbo clot. I chat that in the dog. Dog, yeah man, let me see what I'm going. So just a come out and think. Top of the morning. Be a fisherman out there. Eat? Be a
fuck
boat.
daddy, man.
Be a fisherman out there. Bad boy
What
Ravi.
the fuck you take care of him?
It's looking nice. Yeah. At them again, you know? At them. You know, I'm gonna whop them.
Was it something live and camera? Diamond Diary.
Yeah, man, I even Jackie Mono. Green Jackie, no?
Girl, them scale up.
Yeah.
Check now.
Tell you what, fish, tell you what. Yeah, man, I'll be a jack, man.
Girl, them Jacobi. Girl, them Jaco. Blow. Time for the bad ready, man. You know, line that will be easy there, so. My line. Young line, though.
Hold on, relax. Relax yourself. Did you do the thing, right? Look at this, do the thing. Rifle. Easy, Duffy.
Try this a bit.
Class eyes already.
Boy, me get one for the light line. What's it for light line then, man? Nice, boy, my light line. Light line, overboard. What's up, you know?
Do that. Take it now. Feed it, brother. Alright, the man in the day, yeah. Rifleman have something. Take time with him. Ravi, get up, fish bite. Get up. Rifleman. Shut the gun back there, man.
Under the boy.
I saw him stay, man.
Reach it, Ravi. Reach it,
Go right beside there. Gone.
Fish gone?
Yeah. Come
Mark thing.
going again. Good old time. You go out under the boat.
Ravi.
You know, right?
Chacha, Rafi dog. Man him dog, a mock thing dog. You should have known people Rafi more like him lazy than nobody else. Watch him.
Brother, what listen, brother?
Jump off of the thing, pussy.
Jump them, dog. Brother, I'm jumping in all thing, dog.
Watch out. Go easy, brother. Hold him battery, boss. Man, reach you know. Yeah, choose a jump class with that now? I get the man up.
What about cat?
Hold on.
He's going to take up, you know.
If you know, bumbo clock.
Bumbo cat.
Caddy?
I want to merely fit in gear with.
Watch out.
Pussy, if you
Go heavy.
know we are fuck the fat girl, don't blame me, no you. Daddy. You know you let me fuck the fat girl.
Man,
brother.
I'm sure no okay, just stay tuned, the man him dog. See to the man him dog. This is the catch for today, dog. Man him, one name Caesar, one name Yellowtail, one name Jack, the one name Whitening, one name Grunt. Yeah, and the one name Suckerfish. Look at it. So like shark, stingray and everything there. Yeah man, them boy always have them suck on them, you know. The suckerfish. So yeah. Oh yeah. One name yellow coat. Yellow coat one name. Most of the fish I will catch about 5 though, or 6 man. Remember good now. Man, just stay tuned and make sure to like, share and subscribe, you know. I'm out.